Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Golden Belt Bank mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Golden Belt Bank mobile banking app is designed to give users secure, on-the-go access to their personal banking accounts. With the app, you can check your balances, view recent transactions, transfer funds between eligible accounts, use mobile check deposit, pay bills, locate branches or ATMs, and even use quick balance features without logging in fully. The app's main strength lies in its convenience and core banking functionality. Users can manage money from anywhere, deposit checks via the phone, receive alerts, and maintain visibility over their finances without visiting a physical branch. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, easy login with existing online banking credentials, mobile deposit capability, and mapping of ATM and branch locations. These features allow for everyday banking tasks to be completed rapidly while away from a branch. However, there are some drawbacks. Some customers may find that advanced features like multi-bank account linking, extensive budgeting tools, or high-volume transfers are not fully supported. Mobile check deposit timing and limits may vary depending on account type and bank policy. In summary, the Golden Belt Bank mobile banking app may be worth using if you're looking for reliable, secure mobile access to everyday account tasks like transfers, balance checks, deposits, and bill payments. However, if you require advanced financial analytics or deep customization, it might not cover all those needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.